All right, so that is it for this one, you guys. This was easy, very quick. I didn't want to stress myself. I just had some hair that I wanted to use up instead of going to buy more hair from the beauty supply store. This is the Lulutress Water Wave in 18 inches, and I actually already had this in a color too, so I was just like, you know what, let me try and see. I usually get hair that is the same as my hair color, which is 1B, but I don't think 2 is that far-fetched, so this works out really well. Let me know what you guys think about this. You can part it in the middle, and I also plan to part it on the side as you saw earlier as well. So yeah, very simple. Plan to have this at least a week or two, probably 2 weeks. But right off the bat, it's really soft. As you guys saw, I definitely would not recommend separating this hair with the 18, you know, the way it is with the 18 inches. That was why I cut it in half, so that it's easier to separate as well, because but I do think this hair comes in like 14 inches, something shorter, so you can as well just get that one instead. You actually may be better off getting the 14 inches if you wanted this short, because then you don't have to worry about some of the stuff that I'm seeing, like some depending on how I installed it, it's stopped, like it's short. But if you get 14 inches evenly across, then you can now shape it to what you want. This one I've just had to do a bit more work to shape it to what works for me. But so I definitely will not recommend separating this hair when it's 18 inches. That was why I cut it in two, so it's easier to separate. I think it does come in the 14 inches, so I recommend just getting that if you're going for my same length. Just get that, because then you can layer it however you want. I feel like cutting it in two already, I mean, it's not bad. It's just, I wish I just had more length in some places, but that's something I can keep adjusting to my desired look. But for right now, this is all right, and you can part it in 2 different ways. So yeah, I'm excited for this one, and hopefully it just takes me like the next 2 weeks. Alright guys, I'll see you next time. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment below as well what else you would like to see on my channel, and I will respond as soon as I see it. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.